Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Fluent with Priya. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can introduce yourself in English. If you are beginner, then this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 7 steps you can follow and you can introduce yourself. So now let's start. So if I talk about step 1, so firstly you have to greet people. You can say hello, hi, good morning. Now let's move second steps. So in second steps you have to talk about your name. Tell your name like my name is Priya or you can say I am Priya. Step 3, you have to talk about where are you from. So you can say uh, like I'm from UP, so I say I'm from UP. I'm from Uttar Pradesh. Step 4, you have to talk about your education. Like if I talk about my education, so I have completed my graduation with PCM. And step 5, you have to talk about currently what are you doing. So if I talk about mine, so currently I am preparing for government exam and also I'm learning English language. Step 6, so you have to talk about your hobbies. So in hobbies, if I talk about mine, so my hobbies are singing, listening podcast, learning new things, and also I love to learn this language, English language. If I talk about step 7, so you have to end politely. Like you can say thank you for asking, or you can say thank you for listening. Nice to meet you. So that is all 7 steps. So you have to introduce her. If so, now I'm going to introduce myself fully in one go. So yes, hello. My name is Priya. I'm from UP. I completed graduation in BSc with Physics, Chemistry, and Mathematics. If I talk about my hobbies, so I love to listen music, singing, and listen podcast, learning new things, and also I love learning English language. And thank you for asking. Thank you for asking. That is how you can introduce yourself. So yeah, I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next video.